Khaby Lame, whose real name is Khaby Lame, is a 23-year-old boy who hails from Senegal, and he migrated to Italy with his parents 20 years ago, and Khaby currently lives in Chivasso, Italy. But before his rise and fame on TikTok, Khaby had a rather unremarkable job as a factory worker, and like many other adults, Khaby enjoyed using social media as a form of entertainment and self-expression, where you go to watch funny videos and post your reaction. But then, how exactly did Khaby Lame become successful on TikTok? You know, Khaby's journey to fame began when he discovered TikTok. TikTok is a platform known for its short-form video content. And initially, Khaby was using TikTok like many others, scrolling through the videos and occasionally sharing his own humorous takes on trending challenges. But however, his unique sense of humor and delivery quickly set him apart from the others. But then, what unique feature actually sets Khaby apart from the numerous number of people going to TikTok to share content and react to different content? While going through Khaby Lame's content, I realized that Khaby's content is refreshingly simple yet highly effective. Khaby became successful and famous on TikTok because of his unique kind of videos where he would react to life hack videos, and the way he expresses his deep pan and exaggerated reactions resonated with viewers worldwide. And also, Khaby's content had a viral appeal whereby it transcended language barriers and resonated with people from all walks of life, because most of his videos, he doesn't even mention a word. He only uses reactions to capture people's attention. Just like every other content creators on social media, Khaby was also stuck creating content for a while before he hit his success. But how exactly did he become successful? The turning point in Khaby's journey came when one of his videos went viral, and in this video, he conically debunked a complicated method for opening a juice box using a straw. And also, his straightforwardness and humorous approach struck a chord with viewers, and the video gathered millions of views in a matter of hours, and that was how his success came on TikTok. But then, there are a lot of content creators out there on social media who have been creating content, unique content for years, but haven't gotten their success point yet. Therefore, how exactly did Khaby Lame become successful, and what method did he use, and how can other content creators out there who are still struggling emulate his methods to also become successful on social media? Khaby maintained a regular posting schedule, ensuring that his audience always had fresh content to enjoy, and this is the effect of consistency. For you to become successful on social media, you have to develop a means to be consistent with your schedule. In addition, Khaby remained true to himself and never compromised his unique style, and this is the importance of authenticity. As a content creator, you have to be authentic with your style and stick with it without compromising it. Also, Khaby's content focused on everyday life situations, making it relatable to a wide audience, and this is the effect of relatability. As a content creator, you have to find a way to make your content relatable to your audience and make it wide enough such that you can gain the relatability of millions of users on social media, and in that way, you can grow in a fast pace. Khaby Lame also actively engaged with his followers by responding to comments and incorporating viewer suggestions into his content. In this way, this is the power of engagement. When you engage with your followers by replying to their comments and interacting with them, and also incorporating their suggestions into your content creation journey, you see that growth becomes very, very easy for you. But then, how did Khaby, who was a factory worker, become a millionaire within a 12-period frame? As Khaby's TikTok following exploded, opportunities for monetization followed suit. He began partnering with brands for sponsored content and endorsements, and additionally, he expanded his presence to other social media platforms such as Instagram and YouTube, where he continued to engage with his growing fan base. And he also joined the partnership programs of these social media platforms, whereby he's earning from the ad revenues and continue to earn from partnership programs. So then, what is the main takeaway from Khaby Lame's success story? It is important to know that Khaby Lame's journey from an ordinary factory worker to a global social media sensation is a testament to the power of creativity, authenticity, and determination. So if you remain determined, authentic, and creative, you're going to hit your goal as soon as possible. And in just 12 months, he transformed his life and financial situation, proving that anyone with a unique talent and a strong work ethic can achieve success in the digital age. Therefore, today, Khaby Lame enjoys a life that he could have only dreamt of a few years ago, complete with luxury cars, designer clothing, and a global fan base. His story serves as an inspiration to aspiring content creators worldwide, reminding them that with creativity, persistence, and a touch of humor, they too can turn their passion into a profitable career, and achieve their own rags to riches story, just like Khaby Lame did. And if you want to learn exactly how another poor girl from Nigeria became successful as an AI robot, Click on this video on the screen to learn exactly how Jadrolita Jarvis, the AI TikTok girl, became successful and landed a 200 million deal with a Chinese AI company and currently the face of this company. See you in this video.